the ABC Learning Lane, where learning is fun.
Fox. A fox is small, quick, and very clever. Foxes use their sharp ears to hear tiny animals underground. Their fluffy tails help them balance. Wolf. A wolf lives in a family called a pack. Wolves howl to talk to each other. They work together to stay safe. Deer. A deer has long legs and moves very quietly. Deer use their ears to listen for danger. They love to eat leaves and grass. Kangaroo. A kangaroo hops on strong back legs. Baby kangaroos grow in a pouch. Kangaroos live in Australia. Panda. A panda is a gentle bear that eats bamboo. Pandas spend most of their day eating and resting. They have black and white fur. Eagle. An eagle is a powerful bird that flies very high. Eagles have excellent eyesight. They build nests on tall cliffs. Penguin. A penguin is a bird that cannot fly. Penguins swim fast in cold oceans. They huddle together to stay warm. Snake. A snake has no legs and moves by slithering. Snakes use their tongues to smell. Some snakes are very colorful. Giraffe. A giraffe is the tallest land animal. Giraffes use long necks to eat tall leaves. Their spots help them blend in. Owl. An owl is awake at night. Owls can turn their heads far around. They fly quietly to catch food. Axolotl. An axolotl is a water animal that looks like it's smiling. Axolotls can regrow lost body parts. They stay underwater their whole lives. Walrus. A walrus has long tusks and whiskers. Walruses live near icy oceans. They use tusks to pull themselves onto ice. Chimpanzee. A chimpanzee is very smart. Chimpanzees use tools to find food. They live in social groups. Sea urchin. A sea urchin is round and spiky. Sea urchins live on the ocean floor. Their spines help protect them. Tiger. A tiger is a big striped cat. Tigers are strong swimmers. Each tiger has unique stripes. Hippopotamus. A hippopotamus lives near rivers. Hippos stay cool in water during the day. They are very strong animals. Leopard. A leopard is a spotted big cat. Leopards climb trees very well. They are fast and quiet hunters. Garden eel. A garden eel lives in sandy ocean floors. Garden eels stick out like plants. They hide quickly when scared. Quokka. A quokka looks like it is smiling. Quokkas are friendly animals. They live on small islands. Blue tang. A blue tang is bright blue. Blue tangs swim near coral reefs. They eat algae to stay healthy. Gorilla. A gorilla is large but gentle. Gorillas eat plants and fruits. They care for their families. Flamingo. A flamingo has long legs and pink feathers. Flamingos stand on one foot. Their color comes from food. Hermit crab. A hermit crab uses empty shells as homes. Hermit crabs change shells as they grow. This keeps them safe. Polar bear. A polar bear lives in icy places. Polar bears are great swimmers. Their white fur helps them blend in. Toucan. A toucan has a big, colorful beak. Toucans eat fruit. Their beaks help them reach food. Dolphin. A dolphin is a smart ocean animal. Dolphins use clicks to talk. They love to swim together. Armadillo. An armadillo has a hard shell. Armadillos curl into balls for protection. They dig for insects. Angelfish. An angelfish is flat and colorful. Angelfish live near coral reefs. They move gracefully through water. Hyena. A hyena has strong jaws. Hyenas make laughing sounds. They work together in groups. Manta ray. A manta ray glides through the ocean. Manta rays are very large. They eat tiny sea creatures. Lemur. A lemur has big eyes and a long tail. Lemurs live in trees. They are very playful. Elephant seal. An elephant seal is very large. Elephant seals live near cold oceans. Males have loud calls. Bonobo. A bonobo is closely related to chimpanzees. Bonobos are gentle and social. They live in forests. King crab. A king crab has long legs and claws. King crabs live in cold waters. They walk across the ocean floor. Moose. A moose is very large with long legs. Moose live in forests. They are strong swimmers. Seahorse. A seahorse swims upright. The father carries the babies. Seahorses use tails to hold plants. Lionfish. A lionfish has long spiky fins. Lionfish are beautiful but dangerous. Their spines protect them. Bison. A bison is big and hairy. Bison live on grassy plains. They move in herds. Starfish. A starfish has 5 arms. Starfish can regrow arms. They live on the ocean floor. Jaguar. A jaguar is a powerful jungle cat. Jaguars swim well. They have strong jaws. Hedgehog. A hedgehog has sharp spines. Hedgehogs curl into balls. This keeps them safe. Cuttlefish. A cuttlefish is very clever. Cuttlefish change colors. This helps them hide. Orangutan. An orangutan lives in trees. Orangutans are very intelligent. They have long arms. Shrimp. A shrimp is small and fast. Shrimp swim and hop. They live in oceans. Yak. A yak lives in cold mountains. Yaks have thick fur. This keeps them warm. Chameleon. A chameleon changes color. This helps it hide. Chameleons have long tongues. Octopus. An octopus has 8 arms. Octopuses are very smart. They can squirt ink. Sloth. A sloth moves very slowly. Sloths live in trees. They rest most of the day. Batfish. A batfish looks flat and wide. Batfish walk on fins. They live near reefs. Skunk. A skunk sprays a strong smell. This keeps enemies away. Skunks are quiet animals. Ostrich. An ostrich is a big bird. Ostriches cannot fly. They run very fast. Lamprey. A lamprey has a long body. Lampreys live in water. They have round mouths. Warthog. A warthog has tusks and a flat face. Warthogs run fast. They live on grasslands. Sea turtle. A sea turtle swims in the ocean. Sea turtles have hard shells. They live a long time. Mongoose. A mongoose is fast and brave. Mongooses hunt snakes. They live in groups. Eel. An eel has a long body. Eels swim like snakes. They live in water. Red panda. A red panda lives in trees. Red pandas eat bamboo. They have fluffy tails. Barracuda. A barracuda is a fast fish. Barracudas have sharp teeth. They hunt quickly. Seal. A seal swims with flippers. Seals rest on rocks. They love cold water. Rhinoceros. A rhinoceros has thick skin. Rhinos have 1 or 2 horns. They eat plants. Parrot. A parrot has bright feathers. Parrots can copy sounds. They live in trees. Raccoon. A raccoon uses paws like hands. Raccoons are curious animals. They search for food. Tiger shark. A tiger shark is large. Tiger sharks live in oceans. They are strong swimmers. Orca. An orca is a large dolphin. Orcas hunt in groups. They are very smart. Tapir. A tapir has a short nose. Tapirs live in forests. They enjoy water. Camel. A camel has humps. Camels live in deserts. They store energy in humps. Panther. A panther is a dark, big cat. Panthers move quietly. They are strong hunters. Wildebeest. A wildebeest travels in herds. Wildebeests migrate far. They live on plains. Sea snake. A sea snake lives in the ocean. Sea snakes swim well. They breathe air. Cheetah. A cheetah is very fast. Cheetahs chase prey. They are spotted cats. Pelican. A pelican has a big beak. Pelicans scoop fish. They fly near water. Koala. A koala lives in trees. Koalas eat eucalyptus leaves. They sleep a lot. Jellyfish. A jellyfish floats in water. Jellyfish have soft bodies. They glow sometimes. Tarsier. A tarsier has huge eyes. Tarsiers are active at night. They jump far. Sea otter. A sea otter floats on its back. Sea otters use rocks. They crack shells. Lynx. A lynx has pointy ears. Lynx live in forests. They have sharp eyesight. Pufferfish. A pufferfish puffs up. This scares predators. It lives in oceans. Dart frog. A dart frog is colorful. Bright colors warn danger. Dart frogs are tiny. Blue whale. A blue whale is the biggest animal. Blue whales live in oceans. They eat tiny krill. Squid. A squid swims fast. Squids squirt ink. This helps them escape. Elephant. An elephant is very large. Elephants use trunks. They live in families. Iguana. An iguana is a lizard. Iguanas bask in the sun. They eat plants. Lion. A lion is called king. Lions live in prides. They roar loudly. Lobster. A lobster has claws. Lobsters live underwater. They have hard shells. Elk. An elk is large. Elk have antlers. They live in forests. Peacock. A peacock spreads feathers. Peacocks show bright colors. This attracts mates. Sea slug. A sea slug is soft. Sea slugs move slowly. They are colorful. Monkey. A monkey climbs trees. Monkeys use hands. They love fruit. Bear. A bear is big. Bears eat berries and fish. They have strong noses. Alligator. An alligator lives near water. Alligators have strong jaws. They swim quietly. Moorish idol. A Moorish idol is colorful. Moorish idols live near reefs. They have long fins. Whale shark. A whale shark is huge. Whale sharks are gentle. They eat tiny food. Zebra. A zebra has stripes. Each zebra is unique. Stripes help confuse predators. Clownfish. A clownfish lives with anemones. Anemones protect them. Clownfish are orange. Chipmunk. A chipmunk stores food. Chipmunks use cheeks. They move quickly. Meerkat. A meerkat stands upright. Meerkats watch for danger. They live in groups. Sea snail. A sea snail has a shell. Sea snails move slowly. They live underwater. Stingray. A stingray glides in water. Stingrays hide on sand. They are flat. Crocodile. A crocodile has sharp teeth. Crocodiles live near rivers. They are powerful. Manatee. A manatee is gentle. Manatees move slowly. They eat water plants. Wow! Great job, everyone! You've just learned all about 100 animals today. How incredible is that? If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time!